How to reset password on OKX. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can reset your password on OKX. If you want to reset your password on OKX, all you have to do is just go ahead and log in into your OKX account, and that's basically gonna take you to the home page. Now here you need to go ahead and tap on the tab bar icon located in the top left hand side, and from there you need to go to your profile info page. So that's gonna take you to user settings, and from here go to security. While you're on the security page, under it, going to select security center, and after that you'll be provided with a lot of info. So here you'll be able to find login password. If you continue with your Google, then you might not have a login password, but then you can create one, and after that you will be able to change it. So for that, go ahead and tap on login password. So first thing, before you make changes with your login information, you need to go ahead and enter in the current password. After that, you need to enter in or type in the new one, and for the confirmation you need to type in twice, and you also need a verification code that's going to be sent to the registered email address, and you need to confirm on the terms and condition and click on the confirm button. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you have successfully reset your password on OKX. In this way you can reset your password on OKX. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.